Hello and welcome to today's video on daily healthy habits. In this video, we will be discussing some of the best productivity, fitness, and health tips that you can incorporate into your daily routine to lead a healthy and fulfilling life. So, let's get started. Part 1. Productivity tips. Plan your day the night before. Planning your day the night before can help you stay organized and focused. It can also help you prioritize your tasks and ensure that you get everything done in a timely manner. Take regular breaks. Taking regular breaks can actually help you be more productive in the long run. Short breaks can help you recharge your brain and come back to your work with a fresh perspective. Eliminate distractions. Eliminating distractions such as social media, email notifications, and other distractions can help you stay focused on your work. Part 2. Fitness tips. Incorporate exercise into your daily routine. Exercise is an important part of maintaining good health. Incorporating exercise into your daily routine can help you stay fit, improve your mood, and increase your energy levels. Set realistic fitness goals. Setting realistic fitness goals can help you stay motivated and on track. Start with small, achievable goals and work your way up from there. Find a workout buddy. Having a workout buddy can help you stay accountable and motivated. You can also push each other to achieve your fitness goals. Part 3. Health tips. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is important for maintaining good health. It can also help you stay energized and focused throughout the day. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for good health. It can help you feel refreshed, improve your mood, and boost your immune system. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats can help you maintain good health and prevent chronic diseases. In conclusion, incorporating daily healthy habits into your routine can help you lead a healthy and fulfilling life. Whether it's productivity tips, fitness tips, or health tips, there are plenty of small changes you can make to your daily routine that can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. So, start incorporating these healthy habits into your routine today and watch your life transform for the better. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on leading a healthy and fulfilling life.